So, I'm going to try to drive this car to work. Wheel drive, crazy snow. It's not smart, but I have to try. Got new oil, got some new tires on there. So let's see what's up. Oof, not smart. Whew. All right, guys, let's do this. Let's go to work in this crazy. Put your seatbelt on and drive slow. That's what we gotta do. So, haha, yeah. So I'm about to go to work in this crazy ass rain. So let's do this. Should be fun. Drive slow. Take your time. And, so we can make it work. Safe. Alright, so, boy, let's do this. Okay, so you gotta be very careful on those turns. It's tricky. Ow. Rear wheel drive, Genesis Coupe. Doing this thing. Oh my God, okay. Oh boy. Oh shit. I am so paranoid. Oh boy. Shit. What? It's not clean? Please no cars next to me. Good. Oh boy. Ah. Whoo! Alright, so New York State Thruway. Let's drive. Is it blurry? Don't mind it. I'm going right now 25 miles per hour. So Volkswagen Beetle. I have a bus behind me. That means she's going to be rushing me. Nigga, please don't rush me. I got plans for tomorrow. Ugh. I really don't like these exits. They are never clean. Boss, baby, thankful, man. I'm calling you, baby. Shut up. Just let it go down. I'm not. Take your time, sweetheart. Take your time. Oh. Alright, so what we gotta do is survive. Oh, be good. It's all clean. You know all I have to do? You've been doing many days. I've been scared about it. And now we're slow. Baby. So guys, thank God I made it to work. Oh man, and the Genesis did a great job on the highway, on the two-way. Such a good job. Look at that, look at that. Those tires, what's the name of those tires? If I can find a name, did such a great job. Alright guys, so if you're out there, you're driving, just be safe, stay at home. If you have to be there, so I have to go to work. So I'll see you later. Peace.